Beyond theory, beyond politics, this is the front line of family restoration. Real families, real transformation, real proof that God's design works.
I'm Elder Sumner Benton, and married to Brianna Benton for 18 years with 4 beautiful children. I was impacted by the assessment. The assessment questions kind of make you really reflect and take a deeper look as to how you're doing. And the tendency is to want to give a good answer. You tend to want to have a higher score, but the point is to be honest, to be transparent, to really reflect on where you are, so that when you get into the lesson, you can see what kind of impact. So the questions kind of evoke some thinking in me before I got to the first lesson. When we get to the lesson, one of the things that kind of sticks out is the camaraderie, the unity that has been affected in our home. And I say that in this way: many times everybody has their individual battle or whatever they're doing, fighting against the enemy and seeking God and all that good stuff. But in the lesson, it seems like it draws us into each other. The lessons tend to encourage us to fight these battles together and not make people feel isolated, as the enemy sometimes tries to do. The declarations are fantastic. As a matter of fact, as the leader in my home, I try to keep a thermostat on how things are going in the house. I can feel it as we are declaring the words. I can feel things change. I can see in my family members things that are happening. And even throughout the day, I can see the response. And the thing I love the most about it is that we're not trying to fix problems, but problems are getting fixed. We're focusing in on attaching our faith to what the lesson is saying, and then we're seeing it happen, and then it just sweeps up over here, cleans up over there. It actually brings to the surface things that as saved, sanctified people, we don't always think about.